So we actually stored all these variables. I mean, we've actually defined these variables and we stored these numbers into those variables, right? But is there a way we can, show these on a screen? I mean, we already know what these are, but is there a way that we can make the computer show these on the screen? We actually can. There is an output function actually in print. This is your first inbuilt function. So, carefully look at this. We can print using print, or we can show something to the console or the terminal using this printf function. All right, and let me just end the line here. So what does the printf function actually do? See, in these brackets, whatever we put here with a double quotes, this will be printed to the terminal. If I click run here in your CodeBlocks IDE, it's actually run and build. You'll find it as a icon on that cog and play button type of icon on the top of your toolbar. Anyways, see, I'm running this in my integrated terminal, but it's already given this output to me. And you can see that there is an exe file created here. We'll talk about this later, but for now, this is what the print function usually does. Anything inside it would act with a double quotes, and anything inside those double quotes will actually be printed. This is what we call a string.